Shaksu, a book written by illustrious Goan writer Vishnu Surya Wagh, was released recently in a unique fashion at a function that was held at the Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir in Ponda.
This is the third book published by the multifaceted Vishnu Wagh. Madhukar Joshi, a drama director, while speaking on the occasion, applauded the writer Vishnu Wagh.
डोंगरी गावानं गोव्याला दिलेला हा दुसरा कृष्णभट्ट बांधकर असं म्हटलं जातं. याला जोडून मी असं म्हणेन की गोमंतकाच्या साहित्य संस्कृतीला लाभलेलं विष्णू हे एक अनमोल असं लेणं आहे. गोमंतकाच्या साहित्य प्रांगणातील हा वटवृक्ष ठरावा एवढं त्यांचं निश्चितच योगदान आहे. एक नाटककार, नाट्य कलाकार, दिग्दर्शक, पत्रकार, चित्रकला, वक्तृत्व, समाजकारण, राजकारण अशा अनेक विविध प्रांतामध्ये त्यांनी एकाच मार्गाने आपला असा खास ठसा उमटलेला आहे. आणि असं आहे अष्टपैलू असं युवा पिढीचं हे व्यक्तिमत्व आहे आणि ते म्हणजे विष्णू सूर्या वाघ.
Mr. Wagh narrated to Goa 365 a few key aspects of his book.
औपनिषदकालीन तत्वज्ञान हा या नाटकाचा विषय आहे आणि या तत्वज्ञानाचा प्रणेता महर्षी याज्ञवल्क्य हा या नाटकाचा नायक आहे. उपनिषद काळात म्हणजे आजपासून सरासरी 6 ते 7 हजार वर्षांपूर्वी भारतीय ऋषिकुळामध्ये जे विचारमंथन होत होतं, जे संशोधन होत होतं, ज्या नव्या गोष्टींवरती प्रकाश टाकला होता आणि ज्या पद्धतीनं विचार विमर्श केला जात होता त्यावर या नाटकाची उभारणी मी केलेली आहे. त्याचबरोबर भारतीय परंपरेचा एक अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा घटक मानल्या जाणाऱ्या गुरुशिष्य परंपरेवरही नवीन प्रकाश टाकण्याचा प्रयत्न मी केलेला आहे. महर्षी याज्ञवल्क्याचं तत्त्वज्ञान हे जगाला कळलं पाहिजे की त्या काळामध्ये वनस्पतींना संवेदना असतात, पृथ्वी सूर्याभोवती फिरते आणि पेशीतून सुद्धा माणसाची उत्पत्ती होऊ शकते हे शास्त्र सांगणारा याज्ञवल्क्य हा महान दार्शनिक होता. त्याचं दर्शन या नाटकातून घडतं हेच या नाटकाचं एक वेगळेपण आहे.
The book portrays the existence of science and society 7,000 years ago. The release of the book was followed by a drama that was performed by Rangadhara, a theatre group from Margao.
Disha Charitable Trust, an organization devoted to the support and welfare of special children, organized its 8th annual All Goa Drawing and Painting Competition 2008.
421 students from 15 schools for special children participated in the competition.
ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर.
We spoke to some of the children as they were expressing their artistic skills.
DPWare एकूच हे सगळे एकूच देवाक आमी मानपा जाय सगळे विलेज. हय टिचरीन हांवें म्हाका जाय म्हणून हांवें सिलेक्ट केला.
My name is Abid. Asadip. Picture, watercolor picture. Yeah. Full.
ताजमहल दिल्ली थोडे सिनरी काटा करून थोडे फ्रेंड सिनरी काटा दुसरे चेंज करपाक जाता.
बेस्ट केला हे जंगल ड्रॉइंग ते रानाचे ड्रॉइंग ते एक रान आहे. ये एक कितना केयर ड्राइंग आए मुझे माका शिकल
We also spoke to a few teachers involved in educating these special children.
Very few people understand that these children are special in their own way. We always take them like they are unable to do anything. But if you see, these children are gifted in their own ways, and given a slight push, they can actually prove to do their best. They can prove excellent in drawings, in needlework, some can be even good in cooking. So I feel if we give them a slight push, they can go miles.
Tries to participate in all competitions, all events. Like others only, they are also feeling everything. Like the other children, we have to give more and more opportunities. They have to take part in all events and competitions. Wherever it's going to means competitions, they have to invite our children and full rights they are having.
Speaking to Goa 365, the chairman of Disha Charitable Trust, Anil Kaunte, informed about the motive behind organizing the drawing competition for these special children.
And this year, this is the 8th year competition, drawing competition. The main idea of this competition is to expose and enlighten the hidden talent that these boys and girls has got. And if you have seen the pictures which we will be putting up for the public information in the month of October at Kala Academy, maybe on 16-18th of October, you will see how wonderful these pictures are.
After the drawing competition, the children also enjoyed a magic show.
Then blow there, then slowly this will go inside here. Okay?
The children also participated in some fun activities.
Music speaks a language of the heart, touches the soul and enlightens the spirit within. Music knows no boundaries and no genres. There is no need for words to communicate the true essence of emotions in music.
Indian classical singers enthrall the audience with rich strains of Indian classical music at the 2-day Swaradhirat Samaroha concert jointly organized by Kala Academy Goa and Swaradhiraj Trust Pune at Kala Academy recently. Those who performed at the concert included Pandit Sanjeev Abhyankar, Pandit Shrikant Deshpande, Devki Pandit, Girish Sansgiri, Kalpana Zokharkar, besides others. Here are a few glimpses.
That's all from the news desk of Goa 365. We'll be back with more news analysis for you. Until then, goodbye.